Ezena no here because on na mmiri. Ezena ewu ọhịa na criticize Prophet David Yahweh. Agwa na Ebuka Obi is a fool, you know nothing. Ezena anụ ọhịa Ebuka Obi nọzi na mmiri Jordan. Anụ ọhịa agwa na mma agbarugo fi ekiri. Emebigo arụsị, agwa na emebigo arụsị dị na Rome. Mebie arụsị mmiri dị na Rome. Kuna Pope Abuenu, mmiri buru Pope. Now, Ebuka Obi still want to deceive more people of Igbo. Instead for him now to go back to go and pray in the grave of Saint Pedia, Saint Andrew and Saint Mike and Saint Mary Mandotie. Ogara Zigabe Saint Nandotie. Ogara Israel. This moji be Israel. He will not believe in Zion. Ebuka Obi is not a Zion. It's a Zion of Satan. Israel does not believe in Christianity. Why Ebuka Obi no carry chaperone? Why Ebuka Obi no pray Mary? Why Ebuka Obi no they read chaperone? Nah, Ebuka Obi is going to water. So let me serious here. Ebuka Obi is now praying in the water. Oh yeah, but no, Ofeke. Ebuka Obi is now praying inside the water. Oh, now watching him water. So Ebuka Obi have joined to watch him water. Anybody that go to water is fake. I'll pay for them. Ebuka Obi is now watching him water. Ebuka Obi is now watching him water. Okay, for the bag I want to show you. Ebuka Obi is now watching him water. I know here. Criminals, fake prophet, occultic man, just to deceive you. I told you what you worship is Satan. Mary is Satan. Okay, Nafia. If Mary is not Satan, what are you going to Israel to do? Why wouldn't you go to Rome? Why wouldn't you go and pray in the grave of Saint Padia? Why wouldn't you go and pray in the grave of Saint Pope Francis? You go to water. They say now no Ebuka Obi so you know what you see mommy water. Share the telecast. They say that very much. Ebuka Obi so you now what you see mommy water. Ewu here the cargo. So you now what you see mommy water. Chineke abagoko. Chineke abagoko. Una go very man Okpara. It's for you to go to Okpara to address your problem. Ebana to Israel. Nothing concerns Israel with the Roman Catholic. Ebuka Obi, you're worshiping Satan. You don't pray to Israel. Israel are not Christian. Israel are Jews. So stop confusing our people. I'm going to join the Sabbath. You join the Sabbath. This one you're doing now is not part of Roman Catholic practice. What you're doing now is Sabbath because all Sabbath is against because of if you want to deceive you tomorrow. Anybody that go to water is what? Is fake. Ebuka Obi is number one fake. Okay, you have gone to water to pray to collect power of mommy water. If you come back, you begin to do arabara, doing eye like a snake. Yeah. So I want to show you. Show you the sun now. Any prophet that go to water is Satan. Ebuka Obi is a satanic. Okay, Nafia. Don't go to talk. Ask now if you want to know the cake my ibe. Ebuka Obi, what are you in a meeting now? What are you now doing in the water? What say Jordan water? What is Jordan water? Water is water. This dirty water. This one is even dirty than the one I'm going. The one I'm going is lagoon. It's very, very fresh. Because we're going to one dirty water. About one AK beach. Say no Jordan water. They know fake. Fake prophet. They want to deceive in Igbo. So they will say you're a prophet. You're not. Israel, any pastor, Reverend Father that say you're going to Israel, you don't know you're a fool. Mbaka cannot go to Israel. Ebemosa cannot go to Israel. They can go to Rome because that is where your covenant is. The Yahweh can never go to Rome and go to Israel. So any Christian that going to Israel, you're a fool. You don't know what. You don't believe in Sabbath. You don't keep Sabbath. You don't believe in Passover. You don't believe in keeping Saturday. And they go to Israel. Chineke ga-agbagha Ebuka Obi Chineke ga-agbagha ọkụ. You will die under stroke for deceiving Igbo. If you go to separate, may I introduce to mommy water. Go to separate, may I introduce to more. Your own problem lose the Israel. This is 2 times you're going to Israel. Why wouldn't you go to Vatican City? Why do you not Israel? You go borrow leg from now to 5 years. Go on. See, why I'm showing you this thing? If you have sense, ask yourself, why is it that anytime Ebuka Obi have problem, he will run? You can see the problem. They kill a little boy in Ngor, Okpara. Mbaka na API 5 and 6. The video when API 5 and 6. He said for you to now run back to Pope. You know, say you cannot run back to Pope. Pope, Pope. I told you last year that I have destroyed power of Pope from Vatican. So Ebuka Obi cannot that occultic power that he got him from Vatican last year. He has no power. I have destroyed the power. He destroyed the appeal to a Pope. Pope Francis, they are giving the power is gone. So he has no power. So now he's looking for spiritual power. Come on, I can say, you know, say, let me now go where the video is going. So about Israel is seeking for spiritual help. If not so, it will buy. If it's not so, it will buy. Let him read chapter 8. If Ebuka Obi read chapter 8, they will kill him alive. It's a challenge. If Ebuka Obi read chapter 8, let him bring chapter 8 and read now. If you read chapter 8, I'll drop my Bible as a prophet. You're a fool to think you come and say, I'm going to Israel. Are you a Jew? Are you a Sabbath? You are a Christian. Israel does not welcome Christians. So know this and stop fooling yourself. Then look at here, fake South jungle. You're a fool to think you have sense. You don't believe in Sabbath. You don't keep Passover. You don't believe in Yahweh, the Bible. You believe in Mary, mother of Satan. You know, against Israel. Does Israel pray to statue? Whenever we statue in Israel, still worship. Whenever we statue Mary, still worship in Israel. Show me. I have so many things to offer. The only thing you people want to hijack Zion, but you are not go fit. You want to steal Zion, but you no fit because your foundation is your occultic foundation. When foundation is destroyed, what would I just do? In our worship frequency, he can never. Oh no, Zion my own answer get born. That's Zion get born of you. Watch and see now. That's why I hack my page because you are answering Zion. Zion is for Sabbath, for Jew. Onye Roman Catholic in Israel. Can you Israel? My yes Sabbath. That's the way you're confused. You're a criminal. You're a deceiver. You're a arrangee. Everything is arranged just to confuse people. I told you, if I have never destroyed Ebuka Obi power from that he got him from Vatican City, what is he going to do in Israel? Go back to Saint Padra grave now. Go back to Saint Pope grave. Go back to your grave. Israel have nothing to do with Christians. Israel are Jews. They are Jews. Judaism. They know they pray rosary. They know they worship on Sunday. So thank God all of you are coming back to. Bible says you will come and buy my feet. Ebuka Obi is buying in the Yahweh feet. As long as you come to Israel, you have your best Sabbath. God bless you. Only Abuna better Israel in Moscow. You have your best Sabbath because you cannot worship on Sunday. You cannot read rosary. You cannot pray to Mary. You pray to Yahweh. So thank God, the Yahweh had been able to defeat Zion of Satan. Zion of truth. God bless you. Shalom.